All right, today we're going to bring an electrical drill. Now, this is all the accessories. They get an extension. It's a micro USB to type A, and then a magnetizer. This is to actually magnetize every single bit. Now, to open it up is simple. This is the magnet. It's magnetic. It's magnetized together, if you guys can see that, and all the bits are long, and this is a strong drill, so you'll be able to use it on your projects. So after charging the actual screwdriver, there's an off and on button here in the back, if you guys can see it, and also the level of strength. All right, so we're gonna turn it on, and right now we're gonna put it full blast. If you guys can see it on, and then all the way to the back, it tells you the full blast. All right, the actually how much pounds of torque you're gonna have. All right, so this one, simple to screw in. All right, this is forward, back, and then this button here is actually for LED lights. So they give you everything in one. I like this part. You could turn it off, save you some battery. I charge it, and it's gonna last me for probably a month or two, depending on usage. All right, if it's heavily used, you know, maybe a week. But if you're gonna use it once in a while, maybe a month or two, depending on the actual usage. Now, the strength of it is very strong. I actually use this to screw on some furniture, and very simple to replace the heads. You just got to remove them, and that's it. You know, every bit's included. I like that they give you the charger, include the magnetizer, and look at this. The actual enclosure in here is also magnetized too here. Very simple. This is one of my favorite things right here. Now, you can't miss what you're gonna forget. If you're gonna forget something, or you want to see your internals before you actually start working, look at this. You can see all your bits in the case itself. Beautiful, elegant, well designed. I like the whole setup. Easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. In a bit. In a second.
I'll go with inside then.